My name is Swapnil Goraknath Mere and I am from SY Tech Mechanical. Today I am going to explain the manufacturing process of pressure vessel. Uh, a pressure vessel is a container designed or used to hold gases or liquids at a pressure different from the ambient pressure. Now, what is the meaning of ambient pressure? Ambient pressure is a pressure which is present to the surrounding, and we can maintain the pressure other than our surrounding pressure within the tank. And now there are two types of pressure vessels. One is thin walled and second one is thick walled. Now in within the thin wall, the diameter is 10 times or more than the thickness of wall. The diameter, and in thick wall the diameter is less than 10 times the thickness of wall. Material used for the process of pressure vessel is steel, aluminum, carbon fibers and polymers. Especially steel is used for manufacturing the pressure vessels. There are some examples also: driving cylinder or scuba tank, LPG tanks, tankers, and you can see it as shown in the PPT. There are three photos are also present in it. Manufacturing process are used in it is are forming, pressing, spinning, bending, welding, post weld heat treatment, and the short form is also PWHT, assembly, painting. These are the processes especially done over to to manufacture the pressure vessels. Forming. Now within forming process there is it is specially used to give size and shape as we want to within the to the pressure vessel. And there are some other types of forming too: hot forming, warm forming and cold forming. Within hot forming, fabrication temperature is above the recrystallization temperature of the material. Now what is the meaning of recrystallization? Now to give size and shape as we want to within the to the pressure vessel. And there are some other types of forming too: hot forming, warm forming and cold forming. Within hot forming, fabrication temperature is above the recrystallization temperature of the material. Now what is the meaning of recrystallization? Now recrystallization temperature is a process by which deformed grains are replaced by new underformed grains. Now, new underformed grains, the grains possess the characteristics for that material special. The finer is the sign of grains, the more it gives the mechanical applications or mechanically useful for us. So, as the grains are fine, it is great with its mechanical properties. Pressing. Now a process wherein pressing machine is used to shape the part needed, special in within spinning, the process used to shape the end of pressure vessel, which is called as head. After pressing, the material is loaded into the spinning machine. While spinning, the material is formed using adjustable rollers until the final shape is achieved in it. This completes the spinning process. Now the bending process. This process is especially used to give the curve to the material. It is we can give desired radius of desired meat. Uses a bending machine as shown in figure. That rolling rollers have been supported to the two vertical columns, also called as it is rolling. Now welding, it is a common process, and as we know, all we know about it, process by which two or more material are joined permanently by melting both materials. Now what is the meaning of post weld heat treatment, PWTH? a process of improving the properties of weldment. Within to improve the weldment, it uses to it gives heat to the product so that it will achieve good characters of improving the weld of desired product we want. Some process joins the parts and then the pressure vessel is obtained. Painting, last process is painting. Painting is especially used for corrosion, as we all know. It helps to protect it from corrosion. Thank you.